Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate from Tablea. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 to 3 pieces of Tablea, about 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water or milk. You will also need a saucepan and a whisk. Selecting good quality Tablea is key to achieving a rich, authentic chocolate taste. Let's begin this delightful culinary journey together. Next, we'll start melting our Tablea. Pour 1 cup of water or milk into a saucepan and add 2 to 3 pieces of Tablea. Place the pan over medium heat. Begin stirring immediately with your whisk to help the Tablea break down and dissolve smoothly into the liquid. Once the Tablea is mostly melted and combined, it's time to introduce the sugar for sweetness. Now, let's bring our chocolate mixture to a gentle simmer. Keep stirring continuously to prevent sticking and ensure a smooth texture. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. This simmering process helps the chocolate thicken to a delightful consistency. If you prefer a thinner drink, you can always add a little more hot water or milk to reach your desired richness. Finally, it's time to enjoy your freshly made Tablea chocolate. Carefully pour the hot, aromatic chocolate into your favorite mugs. Serve it immediately to savor its warmth and rich flavor. This homemade chocolate is perfect for a cozy morning or a relaxing evening. You can also add a dollop of whipped cream or a few marshmallows for an extra special treat. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.